can be found even in the darkest of times, if only one remembers to turn on the light. Hello everyone, I'm Akshata Sambyal, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of emotional health for a happy life. Anxious, sad, tense, happy, satisfied, hyper, excited. We all experience uncountable number of emotions in our everyday life. And maybe this is why our emotions keep giving us mental roller coaster rides every now and then. Emotional health, it's just a term for how you feel, the overall happiness and well-being of a person, and thus it's of great importance to pay serious attention to it. Our emotional health is very closely related to our mental health. This term has been the talk of town lately. The pandemic itself and the measures taken to address it have created this uncertainty around the globe. But at least now people are able to come up and speak about this, like I am, breaking this whole stigma which has surrounded this issue for years. More and more awareness is being spread about it now because unfortunately 13% of children, 17% of adults, and ladies and gentlemen, 76% of teenagers have these mental illnesses and are emotionally unstable. Major factors being feeling insecure and inferior and just thinking they're worthless. But I want to say this to everyone who's listening, that no matter how crushed, crumpled and scrunched up a 100 rupee note is, people would still want it because it's still worth 100 rupees. Its value did not change because of how it was treated. And as the famous saying goes, if we could believe in Santa for 8 years of our life, why can't we just believe in ourselves for a moment? Appreciate our journey and the kind of person we have evolved to become. This alone could bring us a tremendous amount of joy and satisfaction. So let's be there for each other. Let's listen to those who are suffering and tell them that storms do not last forever. Let's make sure that we and everyone we love are not just physically but emotionally healthy. I would like to conclude by reciting this short poem by Caroline Johnston. When you do not hear me, it makes my heart break. I feel like I'm invisible, it makes my voice quake. If you would just listen and give me a break, you might then discover the difference you'd make. Thank you, stay safe, stay happy.